How Shein clothes are made. The uncomfortable truth behind every cheap price tag. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how Shein clothes are made. The uncomfortable truth behind every cheap price tag. If you've ever looked at a shirt selling for just a few dollars and wondered how it's possible, you're not alone. In this video, we're taking a closer look at how Shein clothes are made and the factors that help keep prices so low. First, Shein operates differently from many traditional fashion brands. Instead of producing huge quantities of every design, the company is known for testing new styles in smaller batches and then increasing production if those items become popular. This approach allows trends to move from design to sale much faster than traditional fashion retailers. And, as a result, shoppers often see new products appearing on the app every day. Next, let's talk about manufacturing. Like many global fashion companies, Shein works with a network of suppliers and manufacturers to produce clothing at scale. And, by doing so, large production volumes and efficient supply chains can help reduce costs. Another factor is online sales. Because Shein primarily operates through its website and app, it avoids many of the expenses associated with maintaining large physical retail stores. For example, instead of spending money on thousands of retail store locations, the company focuses heavily on online shopping and digital marketing. However, the conversation doesn't end there. The fast fashion industry has faced criticism regarding sustainability, waste, environmental impact, and labor practices, and these topics are frequently discussed by consumers, researchers, journalists, and industry experts. Supporters often point to affordability and accessibility, while critics raise questions about the long-term effects of producing large volumes of inexpensive clothing. The reality is that low prices are usually the result of multiple factors working together, including manufacturing, and it was, truly, a complex issue.